Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely opening the Surface Book 3 and accessing the battery. Start by shutting down the device completely and disconnecting it from any power source. This ensures your safety during the process. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you want to avoid damaging any internal components. Once the screen is lifted, locate the Torx screws along the edges of the base. There are approximately 8 screws that need to be removed. Use the Torx T5 screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the base. Work your way around the edges, being cautious to avoid damaging the clips. It's important to take your time here, rushing can lead to broken clips or damage. Now that the base is open, you will see the battery located near the center. Before proceeding, inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If everything looks good, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently pulling the connector out. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are typically 4 screws, so make sure to use your Torx T5 screwdriver again. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. At this point, you can install the new battery. Align it properly in the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After the battery is in place, reconnect it to the motherboard, ensuring the connection is secure. Before sealing the device, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the base. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any particles, ensuring the internal environment is clean for optimal performance. Now, it's time to reassemble your Surface Book 3. Place the base cover back on and press down gently to snap the clips back into place. Reinsert the Torx screws you removed earlier to secure the base. If you don't feel comfortable performing this replacement on your own, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid any hassle with no calls or travel required. Finally, power on your Surface Book 3 and check to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. Monitor the battery performance over the next few days to confirm that it is charging and holding a charge as expected. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to get in touch with a professional. For those who prefer, we also provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. With these steps, you should now be equipped to replace the battery in your Surface Book 3 successfully. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.